Hey guys, today we're making a smoked salmon keto sushi roll, so there's no rice in it. Instead, I'll be using cream cheese. I have some cut up cucumbers and smoked salmon and cream cheese softened, avocado, and wasabi. And I have my nori, which is from Japan. I got it at the Asian market. You can get most of these at the Asian market. Even got this one, and it only costed me like $1 some cents. So here is my seaweed, and first you have to get a brush and some water, and you just go over it with the water slightly, not too much, just a little bit to make it soft so it'll be easy to roll without breaking, and just brush it all around. I've made sushi before, but not without rice. So I'm still kind of testing out which way and how much cream cheese I will exactly need. So I just started spreading it around, and I ended up using the whole block of cream cheese. So we're just gonna put it on half of it and start stacking it with the filling. So the smoked salmon, one long stripe, and the avocado, which fell apart for me, so I have to add it in little bits. It was very soft. If you don't want to use fish, you can substitute it with something vegan, but for keto you need a lot of fats, and this is perfect for it. And the cucumber is just for taste and the crunchiness. And grab it by the edges and pull it over, and then squeeze so it all sticks together. And the roll is ready, and now just gotta roll it all the way up. And these sushi rolls come out much thinner unless you wanna fill it up with more things. I ended up making about 5 rolls, I believe. And for this one, I'm gonna test it out with spreading it all over the seaweed. So like this. I do recommend adding a little bit more cream cheese, then it's more fatty and you get a bigger bite. But for me personally, it was a little too much, if that makes sense. It was too soft. And for this one, I will be adding some of the wasabi, so I just put like a tiny bit all around, so you can get a bite in each side. If you don't like wasabi, you don't like anything spicy, you can skip that part, no problem. And same technique, pull it over and make sure nothing falls out, and then squeeze and keep rolling when everything is done. I honestly do prefer it with rice. I think it's more filling, but this was very delicious. Refrigerate it before you start cutting it because the cream cheese was softened, so if you would start cutting it into while the cream cheese is still soft, it would make a mess and everything would just splatter all out. Oh, that looks so good. And the avocado and the cucumber was perfect with the smoked salmon. It came out not very pretty, but it was very delicious. You can add some eel sauce and soy sauce on the side and enjoy. If you're on a keto diet, this is perfect for you, even for paleo diet, or if you just want to try something new without rice. I hope you like this video. Do try it at home. Let me know what you think, and bon appetit!